don't know what connects to what. Oh Jesus, that came out real fast. Okay, hold up. Okay, next, I think these are some more bolts for me. Some very particular bolts. And these should hopefully clean up the engine bay real nice. And then that also means I got some more of those hex bolts to use. More mail. I don't know what that one is.
Do you ever know what it is?
No. I think I need to get more of these because I think I prefer all of the bolts around here to be the same as these rather than using those other ones. I've forgotten how this one works. I think it's like that. I could actually search how these things work, because I got no idea. I've never done a, what's it called? Dutch plug? Clueless. So I'm gonna go brown in that one.
Connector. Secondary wedge locks are required. Wedge locks ensure proper alignment of the contacts. The open end of the socket should be slightly visible in the circular opening of the wedge lock. Apply downward pressure until a click is heard and felt.
Then this should lock everything in place. 3 more to go. Well, it's getting a little bit dark for the camera to see, but I'm gonna finish off this doing these plugs, and tomorrow hopefully turn some keys and make sure everything actually works again. Does everything turn on? Park brake comes on, fuel's going up. Good, 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 good. Come on, come on. I'm hoping it's just because there's no fuel. Okay. So this wire was broken and it looks like it's meant to sit there. We're just going to put a new adapter onto it.
Stacks of grease on my chain.
Grease on your chain?
It's too much.
Too much?
Like, whenever I touched it, there was like blobs, heaps of blobs.
Try again. Okay, while the camera was off, had to fix up on my distributor. There was a bit of a loose earth or a loose ground inside it, so I think that could be the cause of my problems, because I've wired this straight to the battery. This got warm, so that means that's doing something. This got warm, this means this was doing something. So the problem was then going from here into there. I can take this one off again. And it should hopefully just be a matter to connect this together and crank it. Be good for me. Okay, good. Fuel gauge is going up again, so things still working here. Radio's back on. And it turns off. There we go. Whew. We can sort out cooling. I honestly don't know what's happening with this timeline as far as the Lancer goes anymore, because things are just all over the place. Engine bay is pretty much done, except for the radiator, but that's still... I gotta go and get that trimmed down a little bit, I think, and that'll just be its own little thing. But yeah, when something new happens, like something exciting, I'll be sure to record and chuck it on here. I need to do an electricals overhaul. I got a electronic distributor to chuck in, new plugs, new coils, not new coils, new plugs, new leads. I want to sort out the wiring mess of all that stuff that's not connected to anything, but that's sometime in the future after it's got registration on it.